How to create WordPress website drop down mega menu totally free. Today I'll show you step by step how to do this. So at first log into your admin dashboard. Go plugin, then click add new. Right side in the search bar type plugin name. Today we will install Max Mega Menu plugin. Type Max Mega Menu, then press enter from your keyboard. Lot of result will show. Be careful about buy. So it is Max Mega Menu. Click install. Our plugin is installing. Now click on active. Our plugin is activated. One item included in the left side. So go to the item, mouse hover over, then you can see mega menu is added. So Max Mega Menu plugin install is very simple and easy. So open the mega menu. I open it in a new window, new tab. It is the interface of the Max Mega Menu. So mega menu setting, you have to check this enable box. If you can't check this box, mega menu not work. After enable this, just click save. When you save this button, then our plugin will work. So here our menu item, just simply drag and drop. You can menu item change up and down by just drag and drop. So our mega menu name is, just select the menu, which menu want to edit. Just here primary menu, mega menu, layout, just select your menu. Here all menu will show. Select your menu, which menu you want to edit or which menu you want to represent. So suppose you want to represent this, just select the column, how many column you want to display. I am showing here 4 column, 3 4. After that, just drag and drop where you want to put the menu item. Just drag and drop it. You can change any item from anywhere. That's why mega menu is very popular all over the world. Go to the website and refresh the website. So guys, look, you can see our mega menu is created. Our sub menu or drop down menu now will appear. Just it showing in the left side. If you customize, then you can just add some features also. You can add, just I am adding the gallery, and just you can, in this button you can edit. If you click, then you can edit the item, and also you can delete this item from here. So guys, if you want to here the column section, now our column is 4 column, and you can see. So it is our mega menu. They are showing mega menu. If we change our mega menu, you can do it. Just click here and select the item, and a lot of customization. This tutorial I am showing you here also the mega menu main interface setting. You can change the layout, icon, image, and color grading. Just I am introducing how to customize. You will customize according to your convenience. So if you so you can find it from the mega menu general setting, mega menu theme, mega menu. Here several options you can customize, edit. Here the all settings, general setting, theme, menu bar, color grading system. Just scroll down. When you complete the settings, then click save change. It is your work. Here you can menu bar, mega menu setting, lot of thing you can customize at the mega menu. Here you can select the color grading. When mouse hover the menu item, which color they will display, you can set from here. So it is a total settings and customization blog for the WFE admin. If you can't understand, just pause the video and watch again and again, then you will understand how it will work. If you want to change this display position, you can do it. Just keep time about this menu, then you can do it. So if you have any question about this topic and blog, please let us inform. I will reply as soon as possible. So guys, thanks for watching. Like our video, comments and share. See you next time.